All right, so the price swing that sets the London session high or low is many times an energetic price swing. Now, it's going to many times be a run on stops, or it could be returning to a key price level. Having a higher time frame understanding and implementing that higher time frame analysis to determine what direction the ICT Judas swing will form. First and foremost, you start hunting the Judas swing at midnight New York time, and it ends at 5 a.m. New York time. Now, the Judas swing is a false run that trips up traders that lack the understanding of true direction of the day. I want you to take notice that we have the Asian range applied. We also have the midnight delineation in New York. I've also highlighted the opening price at midnight. So this is the New York opening price. I draw that out to around 11 o'clock in the morning. And obviously we see the Asian range high, Asian range low. The premise is we would have to already arrive at an analysis that lends well to bullish prices for Eurodollar for this particular day. We're looking for an Asian range that is in a tight consolidation. We look for initial run up to trip traders in. So buy stops are hit. Traders are now long on a breakout. Okay, this is the first level of manipulation. The Judas swing is first it leads traders in on the wrong side, and then it tears lower, going below the Asian range low, and this whole move below the opening price, that's exactly the ICT Judas swing. Okay, so there's a specific element that has to be there, otherwise it's not a Judas swing. Okay, and why did I name it a Judas swing? Sheep herders, they would use a Judas goat, and the Judas goat would lead the sheep into the slaughterhouse, but the Judas goat would turn away right before going into the slaughterhouse, while the sheep just kept on going on, and obviously you know the outcome. So what we're looking for is a pop above the Asian range high, then a drop below the opening price at midnight, and then below the Asian range low. When that occurs, that's the actual Judas swing. That's bullish. You can see it gives a whole lot more clarity as to why price is doing what it's doing. Okay, now we're going to define the ICT Judas swing for a bearish scenario. After midnight, New York time, we want to see price initially drop down below the Asian range low. When that happens, we are set to wait and anticipate the run back above the Asian range high. When it does that and goes above the opening price, at that moment, right here on this candle, this becomes the Judas swing because it's now leading people in on the wrong side. Why? Because we have already arrived at a bearish tone on the marketplace. So our analysis is suggesting lower prices, while any rally intraday at this time of day should be viewed as a suspect rally. It's going to run up here and get everybody excited. Notice the most energy is seen with it making the high of the day. This is slow, lethargic movement below. That's typical. That's stop running below the Asian range low. Those short holders that have been trading short now in a breakout, their stop's going to be rating above here. Creates the high of the day and then quickly moves away. That's a telltale hallmark sign that traders have now been trapped, and any return back to it doesn't give them an opportunity to see higher prices, and then quickly accelerates going lower in the New York session. So you want to see the manipulation first when it's bearish below the Asian range low, then climb above the opening price at midnight, and then go through the Asian range high. Once it does that, that's a Judas swing. Okay, and another classic sign that you're right is if it starts to move aggressively away from that high, because now it's already done its work. If you don't see this phenomenon take place, it's probably better for you to stay out of the marketplace.